In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MA posture in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like, because what we are doing here is simply adding an indicator on top of whatever chart you are already using. Once your chart is open and maximized, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might say Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, but it will always be near the top bar of the chart. Go ahead and click that. This will open the Indicators window, which is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, community scripts, and your favorites. At the top of this window, you'll see a search box. Click inside that search box so it's active and ready for typing. Now type in MA posture. As you type, TradingView will start filtering indicators that match what you're entering. Make sure you spell it correctly so it appears right away. Once you see MA posture show up in the list of results, move your cursor over it and click it once. After you click it, the window can stay open or you can close it. The important part is that MA posture is now added to your chart. You should immediately see the MA posture indicator overlaying or appearing beneath your price chart, depending on how it's designed. Take a moment to look at how it's displayed. If you hover over the indicator's name in the top left of the chart, you can access its settings. Clicking the settings icon will let you customize inputs, colors, and style to match your personal preferences and the rest of your chart layout. Adjust these so the indicator is easy for you to read at a glance. If you want to keep using MA posture regularly, you can favorite it so it's quicker to find in the future. In the indicators window, there's usually a star icon next to the name. Clicking that will add it to your favorites tab, saving you time the next time you want to apply it to a new chart. Finally, if you are not yet on TradingView Pro and you want access to more tools, more charts per layout, and a smoother experience overall, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description to sign up for TradingView Pro. It supports the channel and gives you the best environment to work with indicators like MA posture.